How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So we have the iPhone 8 on an iOS 15 week later. So let me know in the comments down below if you still using the iPhone 8, and most likely many people using these iPhones because this is a great iPhone, and is pretty capable of running the iOS 17, 18, maybe 19. So I'm very happy to see for how long Apple will continue with the software updates. But this iPhone is running the latest version of the iOS, which this is pretty normal in my opinion. So as you can see here, iOS 15, I don't know if you can see properly, but iOS 15 on iPhone 8. So this iPhone actually is pretty capable of running the latest version of the iOS, and uh, I'm very excited about this iPhone because I know some people still using this uh, 4.7-inch compact design because this is pretty one-hand use. I know the iPhones they're changing now, so the latest iPhone 13 is out. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you old school iPhone user or do you prefer something new? So let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, iPhone 8 on an iOS 15, and this iPhone is being used very well. The iPhone actually works pretty good, no complaints whatsoever. I'm gonna do a speed test soon because some people asking for speed test between iPhone 8 with the iPhone 7 Plus here, which I have. This is gonna be interesting to see. So let me know in the comments down below if you wanna see these two iPhones speed test. It's gonna be interesting, I think. So let me know in the comments down below. But let's come back now to iPhone 8 on iOS 15 week later. This iPhone is pretty capable of running the iOS 20. I hope this is the case, but I'm very excited. Apologize about the lighting situation here. It's just the weather is changing so crazy here in UK. We have a sunshine and then we have a snow. But yeah, so iPhone 8 on iOS 15 week later it's been very good. This iPhone actually is working, it's very fast, and you're not gonna have problems with this iPhone in my opinion. Everything works as you're supposed to. All the apps, games, watching videos, and this is pretty capable of running any apps you have in my opinion. So personally I think this is pretty good on a daily basis, and I know that many people using this device because the size is very good. But yeah, this is an iPhone 8 on a iOS 15 week later. No complaints whatsoever. Everything works smooth as supposed to. Let me know in the comments down below if your device is being slowed down or if you have any problems with the battery. I'm pretty curious to check your comments down below. But yeah, let me know, guys, if you have any problems with your iPhone 8. But personally, I think this iPhone works fine, and I don't think that there's any slowdowns with the battery. But I know maybe some people have some problems. But yeah, this is just a quick video on an iPhone 8 with iOS 15 a week later. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any battle, any speed tests. If you enjoy this type of content of the older iPhones, news, updates, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. This is the only way to support this channel, guys. So I really appreciate if you do that. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.